Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're creating presentations in Google Slides and want to make them more interactive, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to hyperlink in Google Slides for 2025. Hyperlinks let you link to websites, other slides, or even email addresses directly from your presentation, making it easier to navigate and engage your audience. This feature has been updated slightly in 2025 for better compatibility, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Slides and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Select the slide where you want to add a hyperlink. Now, highlight the text, image, or shape you want to turn into a link. For example, if you have a word like "click here," just click and drag over it. Next, right-click on your selected text or object, and from the drop-down menu, choose Link. You can also find this option in the toolbar at the top. Look for the chain link icon. Once you click it, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can paste the URL you want to link to, like a website address. If you're linking to another slide in the same presentation, select Slides in this presentation from the options and choose the specific slide from the list. Don't forget to add a screen tip if you want. That's a little hover text that appears when someone points at the link. Hit Apply to save it. To make sure it works, go into presentation mode by clicking the Present button, and test your link by clicking on it. It should take you to the right place. One quick tip for 2025. Google Slides now supports dynamic links that update automatically if the linked content changes, so keep an eye on that for seamless presentations. If you need to edit or remove a hyperlink, just right-click the linked item and select Link again to make changes or delete it. There you have it, hyperlinks made simple. This feature can really level up your presentations, saving time and adding that professional touch. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.